Every building has a purpose: to be a place where we live, work, or play. At Johnson Controls, we've been making buildings smarter, safer, more comfortable, more efficient, and more sustainable since 1885, leading the world in building technology while pioneering the smart building revolution. Buildings account for up to 40% of the world's energy consumption. Especially unmaintained chillers account for the biggest portion of the energy a building uses. Research also shows up to 30% of the energy chillers consume is wasted during operation. Clearly, chillers are critical to a building's operation and are an incredibly important factor in reducing a building's energy costs and carbon footprint. So, how can you operate your chillers more efficiently to achieve these goals? OpenBlue Services for Chillers does just that. By helping ensure your chiller is operating properly, we can help reduce future repair costs, extend asset life, ensure uptime, increase sustainability, and increase energy savings. Here's how it works. A chiller has over 100 components that can impact its efficiency. With OpenBlue Services for Chillers, we monitor 200 or more data points, many more than building automation systems can typically accommodate. We transmit the data to our cloud-based platform, where a team of OpenBlue service experts analyze it. The data gives a detailed and highly accurate picture of the chiller's performance, allowing us to identify performance trends, find ways to improve your chiller's operation, identify energy-saving opportunities, detect and alert you to potential issues, plan maintenance, help technicians diagnose faults and make repairs when issues arise. The data from all of your chillers can be accessed with a powerful, user-friendly dashboard that gives you instant visibility into how your systems are performing. You can also rest assured that your data and privacy are protected with a cloud platform that meets the latest cybersecurity standards. The results? OpenBlue Services for Chillers deliver increased uptime and reliability, a lower total cost of ownership and fewer headaches, increased energy savings and sustainability, increased staff efficiency, better for your building, better for your bottom line, and better for the planet. Contact us and book an appointment with our team of experts today.